Austin Mahone.
19 years old.
19, pop star. Apparently is also a star when it comes to removing lingerie, bras in particular. So Austin, there's a story that Austin is, I guess he's said this in interviews, that he's really good at removing a bra with one hand. So enter our man Charlie, ran into Austin at the airport and I guess was knowing Charlie, looking for some lessons.
Hey, I heard you think you're a 10 out of 10 undoing a bra.
Oh, yeah.
Give us some tips, bro. What's the tactics you use?
Well, if you could do it one hand, then that's better.
How did you practice? How'd you learn?
Just years, man. Just years of practice.
Is that right, man?
Yeah.
So what is your biggest tip? Just use it one hand?
Man, just using one hand.
Yeah, I'm over here, man.
No looking, man.
No looking?
Nah, it's
That'd
cheating.
be weird,
If you look,
actually.
you're cheating.
So poor Charlie's feeling like, what? Wait a minute.
Charlie's gonna wait. The 19-year-old kid has had years of experience.
Years of experience.
Charlie's
you
going,
just hear it, but Charlie is so defeated.